So lesson 4.3, simplified form for radical. So before we beginning some practicing problem, we want to review these problems. If we do x squared equal to 4, how to find x value from here? So we will take square root both sides, right? Then x going to be plus and minus 2 here. So basically we always solve this way. Then let's think about why it is possible. So this means square root. So the hidden 2 is right here, and then this one, like I showed it from the last video, this is the square root. A means a to the 1 over 2 power. Therefore, when you take out square, then becomes a. Okay, the same meaning basically. We can cancel this out, or square root a squared, you can cancel this out and then make a here. Okay, so based on this, so the key point is square root a squared, which is a, which means anything become pair, then it came out single a. That is the key point. So based on that, let's practice few problems. So number 1, B here, square root 50. So as is, it's not possible to solve it, so we need to find out prime factorization of this problem. So 50 means 10 times 5, 10 means 2 times 5. So this become 5 times 5 times 2. Or you can also rewrite this 5 squared times 2, which means root 5 squared times root 2. So this cancelled out, so becomes 5 root 2. That should be the answer. Okay. What about E case? E. It shows that negative cubic root 54. Okay. You need to watch out this number carefully. It is cubic. So cubic means everything must be third power. Then it come out as single a here. So for example, if you have cubic root maybe a cube, then this cancelled out, so becomes a. So you need to find out something cube power. So same way, we're gonna find out prime factorization of 54. Then this is the 9 times 6, 3 times 3, 3 times 2. So this becomes, negatives are already outside, so you keep that. And cubic root 3 cubed times 2, which means negative cubic root 3 cubed times cubic root 2. So this cancelled out, so become negative 3 cubic root 2. Okay? So look at a little bit more complicated problem, such as page 67, letter N, which is cubic root 24 a cube b square and c fifth. Okay, so as you see, this has number a, b, and c here, so you can separate them and then analyze it separately too. So cubic root 24, cubic root a cube, cubic root b square, cubic root c5 here. Okay, then now 24, you need to find out its prime factorization. So this is the 8 times 3, 2 times 4, and 2 times 2. So we have 2 cube here, so you can rewrite this cubic root 2 cubed times 3 and cubic root a cube. Now cubic root b square, and now c5. So c5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So c cubed times c square. So now take out all the cubic one as a single number, which is 2a c, and then now remaining term 3 b square and c square must be inside still. Okay, so last example of this section, letter P, square root 32 a 7th b 10th c cube. No number here, which means they are hidden to exist, which means if everything pair will be one single number. So same way, so I'm gonna divide number term, a term, b term, and c term. Okay, then 32, which means 4 times 8, this means 2 times 2, 2 times 4, and 2 times 2. So you see one pair, another pair. Okay, now a7. So a7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, right? Okay, if you do same thing, then you may notice that you can use the division for the variable case here. So now a7, you can make a 6th time a here, right? Then how do I know? Just make 7 divided by 7, just to make how many pair you can make it, right? So this means, and then b10, there are b2, 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 b2. So you can make the total 5 pair, and in this case you can make 3 pairs. Yeah, and then this one c cube means you can make 1 pair and then 1 single c here. So the answer becomes 2 times 1, 2, 3 a cube, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 b5, 1 c, and then leftover becomes 2, and then a, and then c. That's the answer. So simplify then, 4 a cube b 5th c square root 2ac. Okay, so that can be our final answer. Okay, then now I will just tell you, because of this, like this, the exponent is pretty big here, right? Then we can make division rule and then make it. So like a7 here, then you can make 7 divided by 2, then 2 go to 7 3 times, then left over 1 here, which means 3 power come out and then 1 left. So root a7, you can make a cube square root a. So 3 power come out, single power left inside, like that. So b10, you can do 10 divided by 2, then 5 times. So it's evenly divided, which means 5th power come out and then no power left. So it becomes square root b10 means p to the 5th power. Okay.